What is up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful Lexus RX 500H. This is the special edition unit. It looks absolutely stunning and beautiful guys. You should take a look at the exterior features of this car. Now, before we get right to the details, let us take a walk around to show you guys what this unit actually looks like. Beautiful, amazing and stunning looking color. It really looks blue even if it's in dark places. You can clearly tell it's a blue car. Unlike other cars, if it's blue, when it's a bit dark, it looks a little bit like black. So only when the light hits, then you can see it's blue. But in this case, this blue is absolutely unique and stunning. Now, let us start off with the front. These lights on the left right here, these are your daytime running lights. I love how it angles up to become super aggressive, matches really well with the front shape of the grille and how the body looks like. Super fierce and awesome. Now, the main lights are also around here together with your turn indicators that are located in the same place as well. Check it out. Very angular, very sharp and very nice. Now, because this is a special edition, so you notice the bottom lip right here, including the rear and also the sides. I'll show it to you in a while more. They are all in this black finish, as you can see. Now, this model has 3 different models, right? So each of it looks physically different from the other. But let us take note of this beautiful design of the bumper right here. Now, there are some openings here for air to flow. If you can see it, they are there, or you can be here to see it in person. Openings over here as well, where air goes right in. Beautiful and aggressive looking. I love how this Lexus logo looks like. It's stunning in its own way, guys. So beautiful. Check out the left side again. You got some lights down here. This should be your fog lamp, but amazing layout. Amazing layout. So we also have this very sleek like front hood, but I love how this opening is over there and also over there as well. Beautiful design. Very clean. Color is amazing. You got some black here again, you got some blue here again, but check out how it blends in. Amazing. Now let's move down to the front tires. Now these tires, they look absolutely huge. These are 21 inch guys. Take a look. 21 inch tire of the size is 235/50 R21. Now these are the special edition, right? So what you'll notice is the wheel color is this. Get it in this beautiful black finish. And also you realize the caliper is in orange. So you don't get that if it's not the special edition. Michelin tires. Amazing guys. Beautiful. Now you get your F Sport badging as well if you're going for the special edition. Stunning. You get your black side mirrors together with the black side skirting, I would call it, but it's hooked onto the door. But you realize there's a lot of black finishes at the front, the wheels, the side mirrors, the bottom side of the door. It looks really unique and nice. Now let's take a look at the mirrors. Blind spot assist is also there, given as well. So let's move down to the doors. Again, the door handles is not like some regular door handles where you have to pull, but in this case there's a button on the inside, like a sensor, right? So you press on it, automatically the door just opens. So your handle, it doesn't really come off. Cool. So you got this nice black finish on the door side. Now let's look at the door right here. Now these are Mark Levinson speakers. Amazing finish. The texture here is different. You got some stitching over here, and also you got this finishing here in this suede finish. Beautiful leather over here. Amazing. Window wind up, wind down, lock, unlock. Some small compartment storage here for you to put your hand in to pull the door towards you. Opening up of the doors electronically is this button right here. Compartment storage down here. Mark Levinson speakers here, and yes, you got your F Sport lighting at the door seal, for this. So this comes only with the special edition, and in this case it is this unit. Beautiful. Now air cons are here. Check out the seats, beautifully designed. You got your F Sport wording up here, but check out how the seat looks. Hugs you really well. Now let's take a seat on the inside, just to show you guys how it actually looks. Beautiful. I love it. This two-tone finish that we have here, here and here, including here, there's a different kind of like a texture design, if you can see it, right? Ambient lighting goes across from left all the way, stops in the middle right here. Driver seatings are a bit different. Amazing look. Take a look, me sitting down here comfortably. This is me not even adjusting the rear seats just yet, but yeah, it's beautiful, cool. Now we'll move to this section shortly, in a while more, but in the meantime, let's close the door first to show you guys how it looks. If I need to open up, press the button again. But yeah, cool. Press, push, and here we are. So we leave that open. Now we move down to the rear. Same thing, open up the doors. But before we get right to the rear, let's take a look at the tires. Yeah, these are Michelin tires, black wheels again. You got some orange caliper over there, and on top of that, 235 50 R21. So these are the rear tires, Michelin tires as well. So cool, amazing. So again, Mark Levinson speakers over here. You got some finishing over here, different texture. You got stitching over here, and also the suede finish, kind of a interior. But I think it's kind of like a little bit puzzling to say, maybe it's fabric, but yeah, leather over here. You got window adjustments, lock unlock for the rear doors, impressive. Not every car has a rear door unlock, but this car you do. Compartment storage down here, pressing the button to open up electronically. Now check out the rear seats, absolutely spacious. Now let's have a seat on the inside. Check this out, amazing layout in terms of space, guys. A lot of space. This is me not even adjusting the front seats earlier, right? So yeah, compartment storage down here, aircon adjustments, fan. Check it out, it's me sitting right here. Even on this side, amazing space, cool. And this is, you're able to lift it up, but in this case, this is I believe this is a lot of other settings that you can do to choose other stuff, to even have some storage compartments right here. Check it out, cup holders, compartment storage. Nice. Close that. Pop. Cool. So let's move this slightly up. Space is good. Seat belts are also in black. Let's move down to the center. So cool. Amazing layout. Comfortable and nice. The finishing of the leather seats are awesome. You got some, again, this suede finish over here. Same thing that you get over there. Amazing layout. Now let's move down to the right side. Now you realize there's a shade over here, right? Now you can pull up that shade, which is similar towards that door as well. So let's open up the doors once more. Cool. Now when you're down, we're already down with that. Let's move down to the rear part of the boot. Check out the boot space. But before that, the rear tail lights from left to right, how the way it goes, absolutely nice. From left to right, you have some reverse lightings here. Your signal indicators are also there. We will turn on the light shortly, but yes, you have your RX 500H Direct 4. The wording on your right side, Lexus wording in chrome, number plate located right there. Your rear diffuser also is in black. Looks really sporty and nice. Blends in really well with the wheels, with the front, with your side mirrors. So stunning. Got some cuts at the bumper right there. Aggressive looking design. Let's open up the boot to show you guys how the rear space looks like. Now these are able to be moving up and down. Yeah, it's like a lock that you can do. So amazing layout. You can push down the seats if you wish to. So let's try this out. So if you press that a little bit longer, I believe, and yep, it's moving down comfortably and slowly. Let's push that again. Let's check that out. Having a lot of space being moving down. Let's move to the front to show you guys. See how it's moving down? Kind of cool, right? So rear space is awesome. You can even remove this railing if you wish to, so at least you can have more boxes to be stored right in completely. And yep, charging output, you can do that if you wish to. Speakers, sorry, subwoofer should be right there. But yeah, some storage compartment down here. Cool. Now you can pull up the seats if you wish to. Hold on to it. Check it out. Little buttons right there, and the seats go right up. Amazing. So yeah, nice and smooth. Cool, man. Okay, so we leave that open. Let's move down to the driver's side. Now you notice there's some lighting at the bottom right. Can you see that? Now that is because this is a special edition, so you get those lightings that are underneath the door. So cool. Again, at the side seals you get it. Seat adjustments are here. Let's move this a little bit front. Earlier it's too back a bit, but yeah, let's move down to the front. Cool. So door side. Before that, let's take a look. Now you get your Mark Levinson speakers again, one more time. Handles for you to hold on to, buttons to open up, your side mirrors for you to adjust left and right, lock, unlock, and also your up and down windows to wind up, and child lock for the windows. Kind of cool. So we are right at the driver's seat. Looks absolutely beautiful. I personally love it. And before we get right to the details, let's check out how the screen turns on. Shall we press one time? Let's take a look. I love how that Lexus wording just comes on. Let's see whether it's the same case for this. But yeah, and let's take a look. There we go. Kind of cool, right? Amazing. So let's check out the center here. There's compartment storage located here. If you guys can see it, it's very much deep. You can even open it up from the other side if you wish to. Amazing. Two cup holders that we have right here. Now if you push it, I believe it's to tighten it. Maybe your cups can actually go in tighter or something like that, or maybe you can push it to open it up. But yeah, your gear, drive, reverse, P is you press it, but drive, reverse, and also you got your manual shifting. Awesome, man. So you got your parking, hold, your traction control, and this, yeah, we'll figure that out. This looks like some sensor thing, but more like awareness for sensors. But you got your Type C and you got your USB storage compartment right here. You got other things happening down here. I believe this should be like your wireless charging, and also other storage compartments down here. Now if I push that, can close. You got your Type C charging here also as well. Aircon adjustments, the fan, you got this to adjust here and there, left and right. Cool. And 360 camera view, auto parking, hazard light, your navigation for your lighting, press that. Cool. The interface is actually quite nice in a way. Yeah, smooth, very nice. So steering wheel, now you have your negative shift here, you got your upshift here, you got amazing indicators with your lightings right here for high beam. We will turn that on in a while more, but wipers are here. These are your wipers. Now these are to control the screen over here, I believe, or maybe it controls this, and also this controls that. And lane keeping assist, cruise control, and also you get your other settings here, same also as this, other menu settings, volume up, volume down, arrow up, arrow down, arrow left, arrow right. Cool. Here, petrol, opening up your cap, closing of the boot. Let's do that. So it's closing right now. You got some storage compartment over here. Let's close that. Opening up the front boot, which we will not do, but these are your sport pedals, my personal favorite. I love how when they do this for the car, even though you're not looking at it most of the time, but because you do get it, it's kind of cool. Now this is me sitting in the driver's seat, absolutely comfortable. This looks very comfortable and sporty at the same time. Now F Sport at the steering wheel, love how they have this over here as well. Amazing. Now these are your cruise control, I believe, or some lighting, perhaps lighting for your display. Sorry, these are your lightings for your display right here. Now you have your odometer trip, you get your fan speed to actually block it out and close it completely. But now let's take a look at the lights. The daytime running lights are amazing, as you can see here. Beautiful looking, and we are looking at these sharp, pointy, aggressive lights, guys. Take a look, man. Looks damn classy, bro. This looks super classy indeed. Very classy. Now check out the rear of the car. Front door again. Check out how it's like faded, and then it's like slightly brighter, and then completely bright. So beautiful, right? Amazing. Now let's turn on the indicators for you guys to have a look at. You got your turn indicators at your side mirrors right there. You also get them right here. So now there are some cars where the turn indicator goes right on this and this one goes away, but in this case, as you can see, it's right on top of the daytime running light, so it still maintains. Absolutely beautiful. Now let's check out the rear. Here will be the turn indicators. Looks absolutely nice and absolutely unique. Beautiful. So yeah, it's kind of cool, man. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Lexus cars, do head down to Subang Jaya, as their showroom just opened up here, and they have many more cars for you guys to take a look at. And amazing lounge that we have right there. Cool. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.